Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this compact traveller in the active specification. So this is a 7-seater vehicle that comes with reverse parking sensors, tinted rear windows. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre diesel engine. It's done less than 32,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.